Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well, as always. Today I'm going to be doing my perfume collection. Yay! So, I'm going to show you how I store my perfumes generally anyway. So I'm going to insert a clip here and you can see how I store them. So guys, this is how I store my perfumes. I used to have them out, but then I felt like the sunlight was going to ruin them. So this is the best way I have found to store them. So this is just so you can see how I store them. I've got candles and things over here, some euros randomly. And then this is how I store all of them. So let's get into the perfume reveal. Let's get into my collection. So there's quite a lot of perfumes here. I don't actually know how many there are. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whatever. I've lost count. But I would say there's probably around 40 perfumes that I have here, which is quite a lot. I didn't realize I had this many. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this. And I actually found this the other day. And this is a Cartier, or Cartier, depending on how you want to say it. It's almost like a little handbag thing. And you see the samples that you can get. You can put it in there and then you can spray yourself. So I actually have another one and it fits. I think it fits nearly all. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't fit all of them. That's quite interesting. I didn't know that. Okay, so only certain ones will fit in here. That's interesting. Anyway, I have this. I have a load of samples, as you probably saw. And that's how I plan to use the samples in the future, is by using that. But obviously they don't all fit, but I'm sure most of them fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with all my miniatures to begin with, just here. So start from here. So I have a miniature J'adore from Dior. And then I have, these are Penhaligons. I have a couple of their miniatures. So I have Artimisia, which I don't actually really, I haven't tried that one yet. And then there's Empressa. Oh my gosh, Empressa is amazing. This is by Penhaligons as well. And then there is Luna. I haven't tried this one yet. And then we have Elizabethan Rose. This is beautiful. I actually put this in my diffuser the other day and it smelled amazing. And then of course my favorite, I love Halfeti. It smells amazing. Do you know what? I'm actually going to put some on now. Actually no, I'm not. You know what I'm going to go with? I'm going to put on Empressa. I bought these miniatures because I wanted to try the perfumes out, because Penhaligons, if you know, is really expensive. Like really expensive. They're nice. And then moving on, I don't even know what this is. Okay, I have a random bottle that I don't know what it is. And then, oh, I have a perfume that I made. I made this for my friend's hen party. My best friend's hen party. We all made perfumes. Yeah, I still have that. I don't really wear that, to be honest. I don't think I'll be a very good perfume mixer. And then I have Marc Jacobs Honey. And then there's another one that we made. And then I have Versace Crystal Noir. I have 2 Crystal Noirs. And then I have Versace Yellow Diamond. And then this, I think this is Bright Crystal. And then I have Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. And then I have Modern Muse. This is by Estee Lauder. And then we have Ellie Saab Le Parfum. And then we also have Ellie Saab Le Parfum as well. And I think the difference is, this is the intense and this is the regular. If you want me to do a video talking about the scents of them all, I can do that as well. But we would be here forever because I have so many. So we're just going to do this slowly. And this is Valentino and this is Donna. And then I have Guerlain. Is it Guerlain? People say Guerlain, but it's Guerlain. And this is La Petite Robe Mon. So that's my minis out of the way. Now let's get on to the actual bottles. So I'm gonna start this way and work my way up. So, oh, speaking of minis, I have two here. So I have a Vie A Belle, and this is in Eau de Parfum. And then I have this from Lush, it's called Karma. A client bought this for me because I said I liked her perfume. So she was really sweet and she actually went and bought one for me. How kind is that? So these two as well. And then I have a full size of the Vie A Belle from Lancome as well. There's a little bit left. I have happy memories with this perfume. It got me through when I was in hospital going through my transitional medical procedures. And this is by Caudalie, and this is Eau Des Vine. This is like a eau fraiche fragrance. And then this is by Dior, and this is Addict. Is this just the original Addict? Yeah, so this is it Eau de Toilette, and this is Dior Addict. So this is the original. If anybody remembers, they used to have the old ones, the like Eau de Lis. Yeah, they had quite a few. And then this is by Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the Paris perfume. I love this. Oh, it has like a really strong floral rose scent. Beautiful. And then this is kind of like a 50-50. People like this, people don't like this. This is by Guerlain, and this is Shalimar, and this is the Eau de Parfum Intense. So some people think this smells older, and it is definitely an older fragrance. I would say for someone more mature, but I love it. I love the spiciness. I love the kind of richness, powderiness. I love it. I live for this. So I actually really enjoy this perfume. And you know, my grandmother does wear this. And sorry, this hair. My grandmother does wear this, and it does remind me of her, and that's not a bad thing. So Shalimar, Eau de Parfum Intense, yes. And then I also have Jlo. This is Eau de Toilette, and this is the original, just Jlo. So this is cute. Jlo. I feel like I have such a mixture of fragrances. And then we have Emporio Armani. This is Diamonds. I forgot what this smells like. Diamonds. Oh God, I can't sing. Does anybody remember the advert for that?
Emporio Armani Diamonds.
And she was like, Diamonds! And then I have, this is by Cacharel, and this is Amor Leo. That Armani Diamond smells quite nice, actually. You know, just for like something to spray whenever you. This is nice as well. Ooh, these are just nice kind of. You don't care about where you're going. You just want a smell of something. Perfect. It's not about being as that Empressa. It's not about being unique and kind of smelling special. It's about just having a nice scent to you. This is Roberto Cavalli, and this is this is just Roberto Cavalli. There's no name to this. It's just this. This is super fresh. Oh my God, that smells really good. Just imagine you're like on the beach. I would wear this if I was going for a picnic or I was going somewhere fresh. I used to wear this by the pool. It's that kind of fragrance. I mean, people are like, why are you wearing fragrance by the pool? But you wear fragrance for yourself, and it gives you a feeling. It sells you a fantasy. That's what fragrance does. It sells you a fantasy.
When it comes to me and living in my world in this little coconut head that I got, it's a lot of fantasies. And when I feel the fantasy, it is my reality.
Next, we have this. This is by Vival Premium, and this is called VM Island. And this smells exactly like Virgin Island Waters by Creed. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Next we have Olympia, and this is by Paco Rabanne. This was given to me by my mum. She had it and she didn't want it. She went off it. This is nice. Everybody, I feel like loads of people wear this, so you will smell like everybody else, but it's really nice because you can spray it, enjoy it, wear it. This is something that I would wear on like a daily basis. I still like it. Do you know what? People say, oh, you smell like everybody else. I don't care. At least everybody smells nice. I don't really see that as much of a problem. When I go out, I like to have more of a unique fragrance that makes me smell different or sexy, but I don't care. People smell the same. This is just a container. I don't know why I have this. This used to have the Chanel No. 5 refill in it, but I think it's just cute and I don't want to throw it away. So I don't want to throw it. I also have 2 J'adore soaps in here. This is Prada Candy. There's only a little bit left, but yeah, this is Prada Candy. And this is an Arabic perfume that I bought off of Amazon. So I don't know how to pronounce it. If anybody can read Arabic, tell me in the comments below. If you can read that, please tell me what it means, because I don't know. This is quite nice. I bought this for work, so I just chuck it in my handbag, leave it in the treatment room or something, and I can just spray it, and it just means I smell fresh when I'm at work. Next, we have Dior Hypnotic Poison. Girl, I love this perfume. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And just a quick fact, the bottle is shaped like, there's so many stories behind Dior's bottles. The bottle is shaped like this because back in the medieval times, people who would, I guess you call them alchemists, maybe. People who would mix medicines and things like that. Any substances that were poisonous were in bottles with ridges on like this. And it was so blind people would know that it's poisonous. And also so he could like tell with just by touch without having to look at it. So there's a tip with that. And also, actually, if you guys know the J'adore bottles, the lid, the gold top, is inspired by the tribal necklaces that the women wear with the gold rings that will elongate their necks. That's where that is inspired from as well. I also have the body lotion for Hypnotic. And moving on to the next fragrance. This is by Yves Saint Laurent, and this is Manifesto. I love this. It was Gigi Gorgeous who got me into this. Love it. And we have some Jo Malone here as well. And this is Blackberry and Bay. This is quite nice. I would never wear this as a perfume necessarily. I mean, do you know what? Maybe I would. I just haven't worn it as a perfume yet. I would never say never. Maybe I'm getting more into this kind of unique fragrance life. But at the minute, I spray this into my diffuser. It smells amazing. Just spray it into the water. Makes it smell really good. Next, sorry for the banging. Next is Miss Dior by Dior, and this is Blooming Bouquet. This is nice as well. Floral. And another tip with this here, let's see if I can do it. When you have a Miss Dior bottle, it comes off and it's a scarf ring. Which is really cute. I used to work for Dior, so this is why I know all these little tricks and things. But I just thought it was super sweet, super cute. Let's see. For some reason, oh gosh, for some reason I have another one of these. I just love them. I don't know why I can't get rid of them. And then we have the OG Chanel No. 5. So Chanel No. 5, you all know what this is. This is amazing. I love it. Powdery freshness. It's a classic. And then I have another one. I bought this from Amazon as well. And this is called, it says Midnight Oud. Let me see if I can get it to show up. You can sort of see. It's Midnight Oud. This, for the price of this is very good. It has scents of, you have oud, vanilla, Oh, tobacco, leather, it's just amazing. I love this. I wore this once and someone at work that I work with, if he's watching this, he will know. He said I smelled like a stripper that he saw in a strip club, and I was like, okay, I'll take that. So basically this makes you smell like a strip club, which is fine by me. And then next I have, it's Bulgari, God this is dusty, I've not touched this. This is Bulgari Jasmine Noir. That's broken. I need to get a good... Does anybody have any recommendations for good travel optimizers that you can fill up with? Because this is broken and I didn't know how to fix it. And there's still quite a bit left inside. So if anybody has any recommendations on how I can do that. And if anyone has any perfume recommendations, please pop them down below. What's your favorite fragrance? Have I mentioned it here? Let me know. Next I have Gucci Bamboo. This is nice. This is one of my mum's favorites. So I have Gucci Bamboo. And then I have Black Opium. Again, I have a full size of this. This is really nice. This is Eau de Toilette, I think. Yes, Eau de Toilette. And then I have 2 bottles of Chanel No. 5. And these are original Eau de Parfum original. So these are the intense, because if you look, it's not a spray, it's the stopper. Ooh, they smell amazing. These belong to my great aunt and I don't actually know why she kept them. I'm thinking that they were sentimental and I want to keep them for the same reason. I'm actually going to maybe start using them because it seems a shame to waste it, you know? It's the same with this one as well. Oh, they smell so good still. I kind of like this old school style of a stopper as well. It just means that you can only apply, I know you shouldn't do this, but I'm doing it anyway. It just means you should only apply to your skin. Oh! And next, I have 2 of these as well. This is half full. I don't know. This is empty. I don't know why I still have this. Maybe I should get rid. But this is Coco Mademoiselle. And this is obviously OG and everybody knows what this is. So this is Coco Mademoiselle. And, oh, one more. I thought we were done. But no, the next one, it's a bit dirty, is Armani Code Satin. This is so sexy. Oh my god, and so long wearing. You have to try this. Go into a shop and try this. You will not regret it. Trust me. I'm always wanting to broaden my perfume horizons though. So if anybody has any recommendations for anything that you love or anything like that, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye, my loves.